Hello everyone, and today I will show you how I create my routine analysis. And first of all, I open file all options flow, where I see all options which trade. And then I click last 2 days. Then I look in only common. I don't like ETF. Then I need unclick put. Okay, and first of all, I need to set some filter. Spot price less than like 500. Okay, and first of all, we solve for trade quality. Largest to smallest. Yeah, this takes some time. Then we see a fourth. This is like January 2023, 30,000 trade quality. And what kind of delta? This is delta 0.96. Okay, that needs this time. Okay, and what we see next? This is stock HIMX. Okay, we can look more deeply this stock. Today, December 27, we see a lot of calls with high delta. Yeah, and we see delta 0.47. This is March. And again, 30,000 March. This was 23rd December, before holiday. We see this trade quality. Yeah, this is low delta, but if they expect big run, this is good delta. And we see today, this is call 15. Have delta like 0.46. April, we see April 3,000. This is low delta. Okay, and we need to take a look what's happening on the chart. Take a look 5 years. Okay, we see a stock back above MMA 200, and when stock jump above MMA 200, we see a 30,000 trade quality. Okay, this is level support. This is level support. We see some resistance here. This is about $70. $70.88. And we can use Fibonacci. Fibonacci to understand what we can expect? Okay, first of all, we see a first target about $23. We see earnings here. But at least stock is supposed to be touch this level 100. This is 70.39. Okay, what's the next? Next, we see this is guy buying call on March, April, and we need to check what this stock, what kind of sector, what kind of seasonality has the stock. And we use a website to check this HIMX. Okay, what we see on the chart, we see November, December, usually good months. Okay, take a look past December, February, again, June, again, June, May, January, but always December, strong months. Okay, what's this sector? Imaging processing technology. Okay, what's doing big guys? Take a look. Yeah, not bad. We see more money come, 160 million and 74 million. And institutional sellers, what is it? Institutional buying, 160. Institutional owner, 22%. Yeah, not bad. And how about short interest? Yeah, this is website working slowly. Come on. Oh, this is not bad. 235 millions. Yeah, 50, oh, 7.9 day to covers. Not bad, not bad. And 7 days, not bad. Yeah, and 234 millions. Yeah, this is good. This stock. Okay, we see what happens with the stock. And now we need to check another file about accumulation. And we know this is file all accumulation usually show us all stock which accumulate big guys. December, and we need to take a look open interest. Okay, March, we see 47,000 and plus today 30,000. Not bad. They accumulate. This is called 15, and this is called in the money. We see called 10 January. Okay, again March, safety delta calls. Take a look, leaps 2023. We see they accumulate call 20 June. Okay, we can, for example, unclick December, maybe January. Okay, it's more clearly. We see again 2024 safety data calls. Somebody don't want to take risk. This is not bad, like 240,000 call 70 low delta. March 192,000. Again, this is good number. $2.5 million. Yeah. We see accumulation. Some put. Yeah. The small opening. Yeah, this is good. And now we're back to, and what we know about breakout. When stock cross SMA 200, and we should expect some pullback. And how we can buy stock like this? Okay, it can be maybe little up like this, and then we need to see a pull back to SMA 200, because from 10 times, 9 times stock show this pullback, and then after stock show us pullback, stock can go this way, and yeah, better entry point after pullback, buying this stock. Okay, and then we need to take a look next stocks. We clear filter, and what interesting you see here, there GT. This is low delta. This is short building. They're selling this delta. Oh, this is not bad. This is interesting. PTON 5,050 trade quality more than open interest, and January safety delta 0.6. Yeah, we can look this. And type the stock. January safety delta, December this low. December, we can unclick December. March 55. This is not bad. January 24. This is safety delta. Yeah, most trade quality lower than open interest. But this is $2.3 million. And I like this call too, because this is 2023 and not bad data for long leaps. And this is 600,000. Okay, then next we need to take a look what's happening on the chart. Okay, we see this Yeah, this was good short squeeze, which start in March, and stock move to $171. And now we see where stock back this level where we see a breakout. We draw this was line support before, and then stock broke this support level, and we see some downtrend. Okay, what's this? This is some channel down. It can be go low. If stock will be broke this channel up, and then after broke this channel, show us pullback, and then we can buy only if stock cross this line after pullback. Buy here, because you cannot catch bottom. This is not a good idea. If you buy in here, stock go low. You buy in here, stock go low. Okay, you think, oh, this is bottom. Okay, you buy in here, and then stock go to $20 or 25. I don't know. And we see it at AM squeeze. The AM squeeze go to zero line. This is good, but we can expect to see another small like this AM squeeze, and then again red and yellow, and every time better to buy when we see a light blue AM squeeze after yellow go to light blue. And take a look here. Go down to AM squeeze. Red, yellow, and first light blue, and then stock cross SMA 50. Yeah, this is the second more conservative entry point, because we buy in here when stock show us breakout this line. Okay, next we need to check the stock for, and we see earnings February 4th. Yeah, it can be go up before earnings and wait earnings near SMA 50. Yeah, I said alert and wait.